Enjin Wallet NFT app. The pros, the cons. The Enjin Wallet NFT app is specifically designed for gamers and NFT enthusiasts, focusing on blockchain gaming assets and collectibles. Most people get this wrong by assuming all NFT wallets are the same, but the surprising truth is that Enjin provides deep integration with gaming ecosystems and a robust NFT management platform. On the pros side, the app supports Ethereum and Affinity-based NFTs, allowing users to store, send and receive in-game assets and collectibles. It has built-in marketplace access, making it easy to trade NFTs without leaving the app. Security is strong with non-custodial wallets and encrypted private keys. Enjin also offers token minting and management features, appealing to developers and creators. On the con side, the wallet is focused on gaming and collectibles, so it may not cover all NFTs from other marketplaces. Some advanced features can be complex for beginners, and mobile-only usage may limit desktop management. In conclusion, the Enjin Wallet NFT app is perfect for gamers and NFT collectors seeking secure management and marketplace access in one place. While its focus is narrower than general-purpose wallets, its integration with gaming ecosystems, security, and NFT trading features make it a top choice for blockchain gamers and creators.